Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Minswap token. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So for those who don't know what Minswap is, it's basically a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap, which is for BNB Smart Chain, and Uniswap, which is for Ethereum Smart Chain. Mineswap is for Cardano Smart Chain. So as you can see, if we go in the contact address, it's a Cardano address and it's audited by Certic. And if we see the price over here, it has been rising. The thing with this token is like it's relatively new decentralized exchange and it's one of the best Cardano decentralized exchanges out there. So currently the market cap is 25 million. So we will go in their website. All you have to do is press on launch app. So we are on their interface. And now the first thing that you will need to do is connect your wallet. So I have already downloaded this Yoroi wallet over here. As you can see, it's supported on mobile devices also. So you can get it from the Play Store or App Store and install it on your mobile. And you can go to this website or uh, you can open this website on your mobile also, and you can link it with this wallet. So I will go ahead and add Yoroi to this website right now. So as you can see, my wallet is already connected and I have already transferred some ADA. ADA is Cardano. So I will open this for you. And as you can see, I've already transferred some ADA from a centralized exchange. All you have to do is click on receive. This is the wallet address. Copy this address, paste in the in the centralized exchange where you hold ADA tokens. Paste this address and click on send. So as soon as you send it, after few minutes, you will receive ADA in this wallet. Now we will go ahead and we will click on trade over here, and as you can see, the balance is already reflecting, which is 44.4 ADA. Now in the token, we will select this Min, which is the native token of Minswap. So I will go ahead and click on it, and I will click over here and press on max. So as you can see, it's not taking the full amount. It's keeping some ADA, or maybe I think this is the exchange fee. So I will be getting close to 419 mint tokens if I swap this amount. Now I will go ahead and swap this. So as you can see, they will show you the exchange rate 38.28371, and this they have some fees, deposit data and batcher fee, and this is the slippage tolerance, which is zero point 0.5. This all these things are like very similar to PancakeSwap or Uniswap, you can say. And I will go ahead and confirm swap. You just check the rate. One ADA is 10.97 mint tokens. I will go ahead and confirm swap. And if you see over here, they are asking for a spending password. I will quickly go and put my password on this, and I will press on confirm and wait for the confirmation to be finished. So as you can see, now it's showing transaction is successful. Now if we go on overview, if we go on wallet, it's still not reflecting. Let me open this Cardano ADA. So swap, it's showing over here. So it's showing on pending transactions. Let's wait for it to be completed. That's why it's not showing in my wallet for now. If you see, it's still showing 44 Cardano. So this is how you can buy mint tokens on Minswap. It is this simple. You can use other wallets also, but for me, Yoroi looks good. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.